Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable link preview in WhatsApp in Android or iPhone. If you're using any Android or any iPhone and you want to enable link preview in your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app, and here if you're using any Android, you just have to tap on three dots in the top right corner, then go for settings. If you're using any iPhone, just select the menu option in your bottom right corner, and from settings option you must have to select privacy, and here just scroll to the end and you will get advanced option. Just tap on it, and here you will get the setting which is disable link previews. If you have enabled this setting, so you must have to disable that setting and your link previews will be enabled. Basically this is a setting to disable link previews or block any link previews on your WhatsApp. You must have to disable that setting or your link previews will be enabled. So that's how you can easily enable link preview in WhatsApp in any Android or iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.